Welcome and welcome back to my garden. So today guys, we will be planting out my dragon fruits. Yes, all of these babies this morning, and not only that, we'll be taste testing dragon fruit. So I'm growing dragon fruit for the first time and also tasting it for the first time. I am so excited and I can't wait to tell you exactly how it is and how I feel about it. So come along with me.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Okay, guys, so these are they close up. They have been progressing so well. For those of you who don't know, I got these from Juicing with Jay. Except for this one over here, I purchased here in Jamaica. So this was not the original cutting that I had. It was a far bigger cutting, and this was like this part. So this part came off the original cutting that I had, and so I kept it, and look at it progressing so well. So these are what I got from Juicing with Jay. You can check him out, guys. Juicing with Jay. He grows a lot of varieties of dragon fruits. He sent me 7 varieties. One of them did not make it. Some of them are labeled. I am expecting these and others as well. So go on over, guys, check him out and show him some support. Thank you so much again, Juicing with Jay. Big up yourself, my brethren. I sincerely appreciate it. Enough love, fam. All right, so these are the containers that I will be putting them in. As you can see, these are half a barrels. I'm trying to mix them. I'll put them like that. All right, so now it's time to get them in the dirt. Just bear with me. All right, so let me try to get this out the thing. Just loosen it up a little. See if I could get out some. Oh, good. Awesome. All right, so let me get the hole ready. Ready. Oh, a big stone right there. All right, this looks like it can work, no? That looks like it can work. Okay. Hold on. I should be turning it the other way. Let me turn it like this. Right. All right. Yeah, that's better. Okay. All right, there we go. All right, excellent. Let me back this back up. Should I let these stay? All right, I'm going to let them stay. Should I let them? Since I'm going to tie here, I don't think I should let them stay. Let me take it off. Since I'm going to tie it to the trellis, I'm just going to take out the brace. Because initially I used the brace because they were in these containers and I want them to stand firm. So I'm thinking now that they are in their container and I will be tying it to the trellis, I can take out the brace. Let me just cut it. It's down a little. All right. So let's get the others in.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
I think I'm going to use one string to get them secured to the trellis. Yeah, one string instead of different ones. Let me water this in. Let's see. This. Closer. Oh Lord. I hope I'm doing it correctly. This baby right here. Alright, this look like it can work. So what I will continue to do is as they grow, I will continue to tie them with the string to keep them firm. So as times goes by, I will definitely be pruning them. So of course I will share my cuttings. Blessings from the garden, I got you. Farming on the rocks, I got you. Yardstead in Jamaica, I got you. Herbal laws, I got you. Miss Marcia, I got you as well. And any one of you, my gardening family here in Jamaica, once it starts to grow and give me cuttings upon cuttings upon cuttings, your girl got you. I know this space is kind of limited, so the intention is to keep the cuttings at a minimal so that the plant can focus on giving me fruits. So yes guys, I know that a bigger space, it would have given me a bigger yield, but guys, that's just my space and I just have to work with it. So let's get the rest in.
money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist a chant. I hear some me born and me not transplant. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars not run, so what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars not run, and what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars not run, so what a sweet place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars not run. Yes, I'm a born, yes, I'm a come from. Yes, I'm a live, I am intent to turn. Regardless of the economical condition, you must admit this is a glorious land. Say what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars not run. Say what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars not run. So help me pick up Jamaica, the land of food and water. The system might not proper. We love the food, the vibes and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know say that it a serious thing until me reach in a foreign. Oh, what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars not run.
Raquel's kitchen garden, I got it, girl. All right, so guys, as I was here watering, I am looking at this right here, and I'm thinking that should secure them right here to the trellis. So let me do that. Should I do these? Let them grow a little more. Let these grow a little more, and then I'll do that. Because I saw that this one was spreading there and this one was spreading there. I said, you know what, let me just do that. All right, so it's time to taste. All right, guys, so now it's time to taste. I have been waiting for so long. This is the red skin with the white flesh. I wanted to try the red skin with the purple flesh, but I couldn't get it. It is so hard to get. So anyways, I'm just going to try it now and see how I feel about it and tell you exactly how it tastes. Now, based on research, dragon fruit is high in fiber, high in vitamin C, and many other antioxidants. So let's dig in. So guys, it had a little blemish right here. So I did cut it off because I didn't want it to spoil. It is so hard to get here in Jamaica, and so I had to protect it with my life to do this taste testing with you guys. So let's dive in. Voila! All right. Okay. This is how I see people get into it on YouTube, so I'm doing the same thing. I'm so happy. Guys, I don't think I'm getting a taste. Let me try again. getting a taste. Wait. I am not getting a taste, guys. I'm not getting a taste. I am not getting a taste. Mm-mm. I'm not getting a taste. I don't know what it tastes like. I don't know what it tastes like. Like, I'm literally seriously not getting a taste. It is juicy, I can tell you. Look at that. All of that juice. Very juicy. I don't know what it tastes like. It's not a bad taste in my mouth, you know. It is not sweet. I'm just not tasting. Let me try again. Very bland. Very, very bland. So, it is very bland, guys. I don't know if it's this variety or what, but I'm not giving a taste. I guess I'll be eating this for its nutritional benefits and not for taste. Well, at least this variety, if I can get the other varieties, I will definitely come back to you and taste with you and tell you. Or we just wait until mine's produce and then we'll see how they taste. But as for this one, the red flesh with the white, the red skin with the white flesh, no taste for me. But I kind of love the vibe that it gives though in my mouth. And I like it's like watermelon. Where the juice or the liquid is concerned, yes, it gives me that watermelon vibe in my mouth. But no taste. So thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet